You're going to all see the real power of this integration and what happens when you connect Tolstoy with TikTok. But essentially, what happens with this integration is brands are able to generate super high quality AI videos inside of Tolstoy using really premium AI templates that we've built and validated across thousands of brands. This is the same level of content that would normally require a studio, influencers, designers, editors, tens of thousands of dollars. Now it is available to anyone. Once the videos are created, they can be published straight into TikTok Shop automatically through the API integration. This is really powerful because it allows you to do this at scale based on the performance of these ads. You're able to very quickly optimize the content and then share again and really get out a lot of tests and then double down on the content that really works best for your brand. Tolstoy will handle syncing the catalog, tagging products, bulk publishing, video delivery directly into TikTok Shop, and then really crucially, the performance reporting and optimization. Basically, this is a real opportunity to see success almost scientifically from the TikTok platform. It's really by enabling this continuous loop of generating content, publishing it, learning, and then optimizing and repeating that. In general, the better quality images you upload or you start with, the better your base images of the product, the easier it is for the AI to produce really amazingly consistent videos. But essentially, I would just say we've given everyone here 1,000 credits in the studio. Just try it for yourself and try to use specifically a template because those really are the best way to go.
So firstly, let's start with the fact that will grab your attention. Actually, TikTok shoppable video GMV has grown over 100% in the last 6 months. That's not just a trend. So it's solid proof that this channel has a great potential to drive your business forward. So what actually moves the needles for our TikTok performance? We break it down into 2 core pieces. So video strategy, that means what of your content, and posting strategy, the how to scale it. So let's kick off with the video strategy first. So firstly, it's about the length. So we highly recommend that you do like the 15 seconds long, because 2 short videos cannot really fully showcase your product's value. You need time to highlight the key selling points, whether that's a product, function, quality, or use cases. And then I highly recommended you to pick high CTR products first. So go for items that people already clicking on. So if customers are already showing strong interest, why not post a video like how it works or why it's better? So then I would like to talk about the quality. Actually, for the platform, quality equals trust. So clear audio, on-screen text, and subtitle are simple but really essential. So most users watch TikTok actually without sound. So don't skip subtitles. And if you can add creative angles like before and after or real life usage, even better. So creative helps you stand out. So please don't post the same videos rapidly again and again. This happens a lot. And also remember, don't sharing the videos unrelated to your product. This sounds so easy, right? But it happened a lot. And then when using the copied content and copyright background music, this kind of thing should be pay more attention. If you don't know where to get inspired, or you want to check your high performance content and hot music, just go to the seller center and get inspired. So all of this violate TikTok's community guidelines. So make sure to steer clear.
So really everything we've talked about leads to this. AI is fundamentally changing how commerce works. And for the first time, brands are able to operate really in an infinite creation loop where content is no longer a bottleneck. So in the comment section, there are some great questions. One of them was, can Tolstoy a lot of my content is coming from TikTok anyway. Can Tolstoy also help creating and testing different variations of content? So the answer is absolutely yes. With Tolstoy now, you can create content, get new ideas and inspiration, and test and create many different variations of the same content and test them all with this API integration. So Tolstoy lets you basically now generate unlimited studio quality videos from your catalog. And with this integration, you can publish them instantly and at scale. And TikTok will give you real world signals that you need to test what actually works. And then based on that, we can generate different variations for you, and you can riff on what already works to try new things. And Tolstoy will help you use the signals that you get from TikTok Shop to optimize the next batch of videos automatically. So you get this flywheel where you can generate content, publish it, test it on TikTok Shop, then optimize it again in Tolstoy, and repeat. The brands that win on TikTok Shop are the ones that can basically run this loop the fastest.
So you can see here, it gave me a few different options of my avatar with the product that I wanted over here. And I can just select which one of these I want. So it's super simple. I can just hover over any of these. You'll see I can click use in chat. That pops it right down into here. And so that's what I did here. I selected option number 2, just went to use in chat. I said I wanted to use this one, and I gave it the script that I wanted it to use. And then it generated back for me this script in a 9:16 order. And then I can also iterate on it. So that's another thing that's really, really cool. If you come over here into all the verticals, you'll see we have a few different verticals for which we've created dozens and dozens of templates over here. If you don't find that your vertical is represented over here, one, definitely reach out to us. We can try to create a template that will best suit you. You can also take any of the existing templates and just work with the agent in order to create something that's best optimized for what you're looking to post. So basically you'll start by selecting your template. Again, we just released those kitchen UGC and bathroom UGC videos. So you might start with a template like that and jump in over here. Then it'll just ask you right away to choose your product and choose the avatar that matches in there. Once you select the product and the avatar, just make sure to match the product to the scene, right? If it's a kitchen focused video, use the kitchen UGC, bathroom, use the bathroom, or anything else that you can use in there. Then the agent will draft the script for you. It'll do an initial draft. Treat it the same way you would treat ChatGPT or anything else. You can iterate back and forth with it. You can suggest things. You can ask it for multiple options. Treat it as your creative outlet in order to create the best prompts and the best videos and the best scripts that will work for you. You can also generate multiple shots in the same chat session. That way you keep the product and the avatar consistent throughout that. You can stitch multiple shots together in the editor at the end so that you'll have an amazing many videos as you're going through it. Question is all the AI video really safe to use on TikTok? Lily or Alan, I'll let you speak a little bit to AI content when it comes to posting on TikTok.
So for the AI video, again, as we mentioned before, actually we will say it's not safe or not based on AI or not. It's all about the quality content. So if it's even though it's a content from the creators, influencers, I will not say it's 100% safe. So it's really based on the content and the qualities. So even though you are using AI, but you are creating really good quality and also the taste for videos, I think it's also safe. Yes.